ওয়েলকাম ফ্রেন্ড, আপনারা সকলে জানেন 26,000 এসএসসি নিয়োগ বাতিল মামলায় আজ সুপ্রিম কোর্টে বিচারপতি সঞ্জয় কুমারের বেঞ্চে রূপক চন্দ ভার্সেস ববিতা সরকার অর্থাৎ ওএমআর মিসম্যাচ ক্যান্ডিডেটদের পক্ষ থেকে করা এমএ ফাইলের শুনানি ছিল। আজ লাঞ্চের আগে 12:50 নাগাদ মামলাটি উঠলেও পাস ওভার চাওয়া হয়। তারপর আজকের রুটিন অনুযায়ী পাস ওভার মামলাগুলি লাঞ্চের পর ওঠে। এই এমএ ফাইলের শুনানিতে ওএমআর মিসম্যাচ ক্যান্ডিডেটদের পক্ষ থেকে কি আবেদন রাখা হয়েছিল এবং বিচারপতি কি বলেছেন সরাসরি সেই লাইভ রেকর্ডিং ভিডিও এখন আমরা দেখে নেব।
We are not part of the tainted group. Now suddenly you have a doubt as who would be tainted, who would not be tainted. How is it possible? When all of you argue, we are not tainted, we are not tainted. And this is the first statement made by each of you when you started your arguments. Each of you. We do not belong to the tainted. We are not allowed to practically asking for a review.
May I just make my
review is also filed, my lord. They filed the review now, I mean.
Review is still pending. Review is perhaps dismissed already.
No, another review.
No.
They say so in the application.
But my friendship, I have some patience. Allow me to make a point. I am also aware that there is a judgment against me. I am aware that they were there. I am making a very simple point. And the point is this, that in the judgment of the High Court which you have affirmed, there are 3 classes mentioned who have to refund salaries. 1, who are beyond the matter. 2, who are without after the expiry, and 3 who have blank OMRs.
But the High Court does not say anywhere that these are the only categories that are
Yes. It does. Now, kindly,
then there ends the matter. We have
no,
the High Court judge.
Therefore,
we did not clarify anything further. High Court just clear on that aspect.
Just bear.
This amounts to review.
So there are three categories, as I said, are in the High Court.
When some categories which don't need to refund the salaries.
That's what the High Court said. Your lordships have said that all the tainted, lordships words are tainted, not category 1. The tainted ones will lose their jobs and refund. Question is, once the Supreme Court has affirmed the High Court without any variation, would it mean those 3 or will it mean beyond those 3? I want the lordship to see that.
No.
Because my salary has been stopped now. I was teaching on the ground that you are a part of those 3.
Don't know what it was.
Lord, with great respect, Lord, these are affecting Lord life and liberty of lot of
We
people.
are not going to reopen.
No. The court had given
Lord, the lordships have already said on 17th April that people can not carry on till a new recruitment.
End of the year is perhaps what we said.
Yes. Lord, I am not even allowed to carry on till
Let's
end of
pick up with the authorities there.
Lord, the authorities.
If you we have only said the untainted candidates will continue, not all of you. That's what you have actually.
Right.
Point by law to the order, it actually says something completely different.
Yeah, just see
The
that
order permitting the continuance. That specifically says candidates were not tainted.
Paperbook number 56.
People who wish to get confused will always find room for confusion. It is not the commission which is before us. It is not the CBI which is before us.
Absolutely.
There is a question. Your candidates have various as we said, all of you asserted that we are not tainted candidates. You have to come up with an application saying who is tainted.
My lords, today we have no option but to be here accepting this order for the purposes of this application. My lords, we just see that order. It doesn't say untainted.
Which page is that? The 17th. The 17th April order.
Dubious method to get the order reviewed.
My lords have it?
17th April order.
It's not found to be. My lords, my friend will have a chance. We are inclined to accept the prayer made in the present application insofar as it relates for assistant teachers for classes 9 and 10, that's me, and 11 and 12, which is Mr. Wagi, not found to be tainted. Not found to be tainted.
Then
This is distinct, my lords.
And they have been found to be tainted.
Admitting that my lords find me tainted, there is no dispute around that.
sorry.
In this application.
We find no reason to
My lords had said that let the SSC consider.
clarify. We are not going to say anything. We clarify the judgment dated 3/4/2025, passed by this court in civil appeal numbers 4819, 1-4820 of 2025 and connection matters. The miscellaneous applications are accordingly dismissed for 59.
My lords, of course, the SSC then will go by my lord's order.
Not say anything. Let us see how.
But then that's up to the SSC, my lords.
That is all.
Some physical appearance may be allowed to be taken.
Grateful, your lord.
Great your best.
Fair enough.